and welcome back. Would you like to paint a beautiful rainbow tropical paradise sunset with me today? Yeah! You would? Well, come with me and grab your paints and let's get painting together. For today's video, you will need some paintbrushes, some paper, your 3 primary colours and a black. I also have some water and some Kitchenroll. Okay, let's get going. For the first part of this painting, we're going to wet our brush. We're going to dip it in the water and make sure it's nice and damp. Then we're going to take a nice big scoop of our blue paint. And we're going to start painting that across the top of the painting. Like so. A nice strip of blue paint. Beautiful, well done everybody. Okay, when you've done this, we're then going to pick up some yellow. Now, I'm not going to wash my brush. I'm just going to go directly in and pick up some yellow because we're going to blend these together anyway. So then let's paint our yellow strip underneath and we're going to paint it back and forth. Like so. And look, it's starting to turn green. So we want to brush it back and forth until that's nice and mixed in. Well done everybody. Wow, this is looking great. Perfect. Now I'm going to wash my brush. And I'm going to paint from the top and all the way down to the bottom, making sure that that is blended in very nicely. Okay, now let's pick up some more yellow paint and pop that underneath. Perfect. And let's go back and forth with that paint, letting that mix into the green a little bit. We can go up and down. Perfect, well done. Now it's time to wash our brush. Okay, now we've got a clean brush, we're going to start with our next blend of colours. We're going to paint on some yellow, like so. Beautiful. Make sure we've got quite a nice amount of yellow on there. Lovely. Now let's pick up a tiny bit of red with our brush and start brushing that up and down into the yellow. Now red is such a strong colour. If your red is still very, very red, we're going to add some more yellow to that. On top, like this. And you'll start to see that it's turning orange. Perfect. Well done everybody. You can even go in with some more yellow if you want it a brighter orange. Well done everybody. Now let's get some red paint and paint that at the bottom, like so. And you can bring that up a little bit and back down, all the way to the bottom. Beautiful. Final step to this blend is I'm going to add a tiny bit of blue at the bottom to the red because I want the bottom to turn violet. And red and blue make a really lovely violet. I've only added a little bit of blue because the blue is a very dark colour and it can take over very quickly, much like the red with the yellow. Well done. Now look at all them colours. Perfect. Let's wash our brush. Make sure all that paint's off. Give it a wipe. Okay, now with our clean brush, I'm going to go all the way from the top again to the bottom, just making sure that them colours are all blended in together. Beautiful. This is so much fun. Well done, everybody. Perfect. Okay, that is the blend done for the colours. So now let's wash our brush and we're going to swap our brush. I'm going to use a smaller brush now and we're going to use some black paint. So with our black paint, it's time to paint our beautiful hills. Now these can be any shapes you like. You can have big hills or you can have small hills. It's up to you. You can even have mountains if you like. When you painted the shape of your hills, it's time to paint them in black. This is such a beautiful painting. Well done, everybody. I love all the colours. Perfect. Well done. Okay. Now we've got our beautiful hills, we might want to add some trees. For this, I'm going to use a smaller brush. I'm going to dip it into my black paint and I'm going to start painting some beautiful trees. These are going to be palm trees. The palm trees are just in a nice curve and I'm going to do lots of lines leading back to the centre of the tree, like so. Lovely. And I might just do one, maybe underneath that palm tree there. Maybe let's add some birds in the sky. For my birds, I'm going to do some little dots where I want them to be. And then I'm going to draw the shapes of the wings. Some are going to be V shape, like this. Some are going to be in the shape of an M, like this. Some are bigger and some are smaller than others. Perfect, that looks so beautiful. Well done, everybody. If you would like to add more to this painting, please do. How about a moon or a sun? Or how about some stars in the sky? But that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this painting. Do let me know in the comments if you have, or give this video a like. You can always send me your paintings too. I'd love to see them. Bye, everybody.